Hi everybody, this is Judy Parcell, and I had a kind of a fun idea. It's not my original idea because there is a lady online that did this on YouTube. Everything you can get on YouTube, you know. I thought it was very clever. She took the design of 4 birds and had them merged together at their beaks. She did her design, she drew her design, and then she colored it in with colored pencils. I believe she did colored pencils or watercolor pencils. No, she used watercolors. But the paper I'm using here is cardstock, and it would pucker all over the place, so I really didn't want to go to that level. Anyway, I decided to create her project for myself. I was so fascinated by it. And I started with, like I said, cardstock. I drew out the design. I printed it once I got it done. I made a file and I printed it in Photoshop. And then I could make a bunch of these if I wanted. And I also made a 5th bird. And the reason is that I wanted this bird to be on the back side of this card. And so I had to make this as a separate thing because I knew it wouldn't line up when I did the folds. I just knew it. So I made it as a separate file and cut it out. So when I got ready to do the final card, I took a ruler and a palette knife, and I made very even creases here so it would fold but not tear. And I cut out when I folded it, I cut out these eyes. I only had to do 2 because it would do the rest. And then I adhered the 5th bird to this. And what I liked about it, one of the things I liked about it was you had a place to write a note. You could write anything you wanted. I like the featheriness of all of this, and the fact you're giving a person a free piece of art and giving them a note. And when they open it, in the envelope, this is what they're going to find in the envelope. And they'll go, what is, oh, beautiful. Oh, and I could write a note. But she got a note there for me. So I kind of like that. And like I said, if I can find her, again, I'm going to put her in the description below so that you can follow her on some of the other art that she does. Anyway, this is the only piece I did that she did that I really like. So anyway, thank you for coming to my studio, and I'll talk to you later.